Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make the rice for the fish. So this is Health More. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how I make for the rice or the fish? Let's go! We need 2 cups of rice. We also need 2 pieces of onion. We're going to cut it into small pieces. 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to cut it into small pieces also. We also need dill leaves. We also need coriander leaves. And we also need some parsley leaves. The spices, we need mandi cubes, turmeric powder, coriander powder, curry powder, white pepper, fish spices, black pepper, coriander powder, and cumin spices. And of course, we need a little bit of cardamom powder or hell spices. So first step, we're going to wash our rice. Then after we wash the rice, we're going to soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to boil water. So now it's already clean. We're going to soak it and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to put water in a pan and we're going to boil the water. So we're going to wait until it will get boiled. So we just put salt and a little bit of cooking oil. So this time the water is boiling, we're going to put our rice. Then mix and let it get cooked. So as you can see, our rice is almost done. So we're going to put it in the strainer. Then let it drain for a little bit. Then we're going to cook the garlic, the onion, and some leaves and spices for the rice. So I have already cut the onion, the garlic, the parsley, coriander leaves, and the dill leaves. So now we're going to make the spices for the rice. So in the pan we're going to put cooking oil. Then when it gets hot, we put the onion and the garlic. Let it cook a little bit. Then we put the leaves. Then we put all the spices. The turmeric powder, then mix. Then we are going to add the rice. Half of the rice we're going to mix with the leaves. So it will look like this. And the half of the rice, we're going to put it on the top. Then lower the fire and cover it for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to serve. So after 5 minutes, as you can see, our rice is done, so it's time to serve. So first we're going to put the white. So as you can see, I put the white rice down. Then this time we put the rice with the leaves. So now our rice for the fish is done. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So this and anymore. God bless us all. Bye bye.